But if he can box, and he has enough pop to get Gassiev's respect.
Got to me, it was my national television debut. Gassiev hit Thomas.
Had bad intentions on it.
Schimmel's doing a great job, jabbing, moving out of the range.
That's a big shot that dropped Schimmel. And this fight is over.
He's out. Stay back.
Yeah, left hook.
When
Right there.
Right there, right on the chin.
Right on the button. I was just talking about Schimmel, how well he's doing boxing and keeping
right
him from
hand,
his distance.
left hook. He missed with the right hand, came right back with the left hook.
And how his head hit the canvas. Watch how his head hits the canvas after the punch.
Put shots together. You may miss with the first shot, bam, the second shot.
Let's get the
2 minutes 54.